Car window visors protect from rain, sun, wind, and reduce interior heat while driving. My today's video is about top 5 best car window visors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Saleago car window visors. The Saleago window rain guards are a perfect accessory for Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 to 2026 and Gladiator 2020 to 2026 models, offering both style and functionality. Made from ultra-strong, reinforced polycarbonate, these vent visors protect your vehicle from rain, wind, heat, and environmental damage while driving. They allow fresh air circulation without letting rain or harsh weather in, helping eliminate stale odors from pets, smoking, or spills, making the cabin feel fresher and more pleasant. Designed for an in-channel perfect fit, they provide a sleek, low-profile look and remain securely in place even at highway speeds. Installation is straightforward with no drilling or tools required, just adjust if needed and allow 72 hours for stabilization. Water-resistant and durable in all weather conditions, these visors enhance driving comfort year-round. With a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, the Saleago window rain guards are a reliable, practical, and stylish upgrade for any Jeep owner. Now our second product is Nilight car window visors. The Nilight vent window visors are an excellent upgrade for Jeep Grand Cherokee models from 2011 to 2020, combining style, functionality, and durability. Made from premium quality, shatterproof acrylic, these visors are tough, flexible, and resistant to bending, cracking, or breaking. They reduce interior wind noise, minimize glare during night driving, and allow fresh air circulation even in rainy conditions, keeping your cabin comfortable. Installation is quick and hassle-free, no drilling or special tools are needed. Just slip the visors onto your windows, secure with the included clips, crowbar, and double-sided tape, and you're done in minutes. The package includes 4 rain guards, 12 clips, a crowbar, 78-inch double-sided tape, and clear installation instructions, making the process simple for anyone. Designed with precise engineering data, the visors ensure a perfect custom fit while maintaining a sleek, low-profile look. With careful attention to fitment, Nilight provides a practical, durable, and stylish solution for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners. Our third product is Deejecsun car window visors. The Deejecsun window rain guards are a perfect accessory for Chevy Silverado Crew Cab 2019 to 2026 and GMC Sierra Crew Cab 1500 2019 to 2026, offering both style and functionality. Made from durable, shatterproof polycarbonate, these deflectors protect your truck from rain, wind, heat, and environmental damage, ensuring a safer and more comfortable ride. The in-channel installation provides a precise, secure fit without drilling or special tools. Just slip them onto the windows and you're done. This 4-piece set covers all side windows, creating a seamless look while shielding passengers from sun rays, rain, and wind when driving with windows slightly open. They also improve ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping out debris and odors from pets, smoking, or gear. Built to last, these rain guards come with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support, making them a reliable, practical, and stylish upgrade for Silverado and Sierra owners seeking comfort and protection in all weather conditions. Now number 4, Breejoy car window visors. The Breejoy rain guards are a top-tier upgrade for Chevrolet Silverado 1500/2500/3500 HD Crew Cab 2014 to 2019, and GMC Sierra 1500/2500/3500 HD Crew Cab 2014 to 2019, providing both protection and style. Made from premium, shatterproof polycarbonate, these window deflectors are highly durable, weather-resistant, and lightweight. They reduce wind noise while allowing fresh airflow, keeping your cabin comfortable in rain, snow, or heat. The in-channel installation ensures a precise, secure fit without drilling or damaging paintwork, avoiding adhesive residue issues common with tape-on designs. With a sleek, low-profile look, they enhance your vehicle's appearance while letting you breeze freely with windows slightly open. These visors shield against gusts, rain sprays, and extreme heat, improving both comfort and driving experience. Easy to install and built to last, Breejoy rain guards come with a 1-year warranty and deliver reliable performance, making them a practical, stylish, and long-lasting accessory for Silverado and Sierra owners. And our last choice is Canvcle car window visors. The Canvcle window visors rain guards are a perfect accessory for 2025 to 2026 Chevrolet Equinox, excluding Equinox EV, designed with original car scanning mold technology for a precise, seamless fit. Made from durable polycarbonate, these visors are sturdy and resistant to bending, cracking, or breaking, even in harsh weather. This 4-piece set covers all side windows, providing excellent protection against rain, wind, and UV rays while adding a sleek, elegant look to your vehicle. They allow fresh air to circulate while keeping rain out, making driving more comfortable and enjoyable. Installation is simple with the outside mount tape-on design. No drilling or tools are required. Just clean the surface, peel off the tape, and press the visors firmly in place. These window deflectors not only enhance your Equinox's style but also protect the interior from sun damage and improve ventilation, making them a practical, durable, and stylish upgrade for everyday driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.